Cholesterol-supporting drink for heart health. 18 months ago, my doctor expressed concern about my cholesterol levels during a routine checkup. With total cholesterol at 280 mg/dol and LDL at 180 mg/dol, I needed to take immediate action. Rather than immediately starting medication, she suggested trying natural approaches first, including a specific drink that had shown promising results in clinical studies. This drink combines scientifically backed ingredients that support healthy cholesterol levels through multiple mechanisms. Within 3 months of daily consumption, my total cholesterol decreased to 220 mg/dol, with LDL dropping to 140 mg/dol. While results vary between individuals, the ingredients in this drink demonstrate measurable effects on cholesterol metabolism. The drink contains beta-glucan from oats, plant sterols, and antioxidants that work synergistically to support cardiovascular health. These compounds don't work overnight, but consistent consumption can contribute to gradual cholesterol improvements over weeks to months when combined with lifestyle changes. First, beta-glucan from oats creates a gel-like substance in your digestive tract that binds cholesterol and bile acids. This binding prevents cholesterol reabsorption, forcing your liver to use existing cholesterol to produce new bile acids. The FDA recognizes beta-glucan's cholesterol-lowering effects, approving health claims for oat products. Second, plant sterols naturally found in nuts and seeds compete with cholesterol for absorption in your intestines. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows plant sterols can reduce LDL cholesterol by 6 to 15% when consumed regularly. These compounds physically block cholesterol absorption without affecting beneficial LDL levels. Third, antioxidants like those found in berries and green tea protect LDL cholesterol from oxidation. Oxidized LDL cholesterol becomes more likely to form arterial plaques, increasing cardiovascular disease risk. Antioxidants help maintain LDL in its less harmful form, supporting overall heart health. Fourth, soluble fiber from various sources slows cholesterol absorption and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This dual action supports both cholesterol management and metabolic health, particularly important for people with diabetes or prediabetes who face increased cardiovascular risks. Here's the specific drink recipe that supported my cholesterol improvement. Blend 1 cup of oat milk with 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, half a cup of blueberries, 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk, and a handful of spinach. This combination provides beta-glucan, plant sterols, antioxidants, and soluble fiber. Preparation timing affects the drink's effectiveness. Consume this mixture 30 minutes before your largest meal of the day to maximize cholesterol-binding effects. The soluble fiber works best when it can interact with dietary cholesterol and bile acids during digestion. Consistency proves more important than perfection with this approach. Daily consumption for at least 8 to 12 weeks allows the cholesterol-lowering mechanisms to accumulate meaningful effects. Sporadic consumption won't provide the same benefits as regular intake. Individual responses vary significantly based on genetics, existing cholesterol levels, and overall diet quality. Some people see improvements within 4 to 6 weeks, while others require 3 to 4 months of consistent consumption. Baseline cholesterol levels often influence response magnitude. This drink works best as part of comprehensive lifestyle changes including regular exercise, stress management, and overall dietary improvements. No single food or drink can overcome poor lifestyle habits, but it can enhance the effects of healthy choices. Quality ingredients matter for optimal results. Choose organic oats to minimize pesticide exposure and select fresh or frozen berries over dried versions to avoid added sugars. Ground flaxseed provides better nutrient absorption than whole seeds. Some people experience mild digestive adjustments when first consuming high-fiber drinks. Start with smaller portions and gradually increase to full servings as your digestive system adapts. Adequate water intake helps prevent digestive discomfort. Monitor your progress through regular blood tests rather than relying solely on how you feel. Cholesterol changes occur gradually and may not produce noticeable symptoms. Work with your healthcare provider to track improvements over time. Remember that genetic factors significantly influence cholesterol levels and response to dietary interventions. Some people have familial hypercholesterolemia, requiring medication regardless of dietary changes. Genetic testing can help identify those who need pharmaceutical intervention.